Hi, welcome to the TechnoWorks store, and I want to talk about the XR Pro. I want to introduce you to this new product. So the XR Pro is a Hills product, and it's a replacement for the NX and Reliance systems. So this card here will fit directly into any NX 12, NX 16, R12 or R128 enclosures. And there's a couple of very unique things about this product. It comes with a 4-wire keypad bus, which is a little bit different to the normal NX, but it also has a 3-wire bus on here, so you can use some of the older NX keypads and stuff on here, but you do need a 4-wire keypad if you're going to program. But you'll also notice it has some antennas. So this board has a lot of features packed into it. So out the box, this card can have 16 hardwired zones wired into it with the aid of zone doubling. Anyone's familiar with the NX or Reliance zone doubling, it's exactly the same process to do zone doubling. But this also has a built-in wireless receiver. So basically you can add wireless reed switches. This is a larger style. The micro reed switch. The wireless mirror optic PIR. They've never offered a mirror optic PIR. They've always been Fresnel lens, so that's great for reliability. But this product also has built-in is a ConNav. So anyone who's familiar with adding a ConNav to their NX or Reliance alarm system now, this board does everything. This board is a one-stop shop where it basically does 16 zones of hardwired. It does up to 176 zones in total. You can put expanders on this to expand the hardwired zones, or you can expand it using wireless devices. So you could put out of this board, straight out the box, you could put 16 hardwired devices and 160 wireless devices without buying any additional hardware on this board. The ConNav feature or the communicator app feature of this board is quite unique. People who've used the ConNav will know that you can only have you can only get messages to 3 devices. This will allow you to send messages, push notifications to up to 13 different devices, which is fantastic. So it gives a lot of scope to do that. Also a lot more users, up to 256 users can be attached to this board. But basically this is an ideal upgrade if you've got an NX or Reliance system and you want to upgrade your board and get some of the modern features. So sometimes it's cheaper if you want to, and also you want to include and do a couple of doors or windows of wireless reeds. These are a micro reed with a little lithium battery. It lasts about 5 years, very discreet. Comes with a multicolour, so this also comes with a brown cover, so if it's on a dark door frame you can use that, so that's fantastic. So, but like I said, this just allows you to upgrade your security very, very easily. So we're going to be doing more videos about this particular product, but this is just kind of an introduction to let you know what the features of this product are. And like I said, out of the box, 16 hardwired zones, so that basically will do exactly what an NX16 or an R128 does out the box. But the NX16 and the R128 can't do wireless unless you add an ITI wireless receiver. The receiver is already built in. This is going to also have, this has got built-in Zwave as well, so it will actually talk to Zwave devices, although the firmware hasn't been completed for all the Zwave stuff. And it will work in the future with Alexa and Google Assistant as well. So this panel is going to be a interesting panel. It's also going to be integrate cameras onto it as well. So through the app, you'll be able to access some cameras, you'll be able to access control Zwave devices. There's also outputs on here which you can control via the app, so you can create a button on the app for your front gate, wire it to your front gate and trigger your front gate. Lots of really cool stuff coming. So keep an eye out for this product. It's on our website now. You can actually go in and buy a kit where you get the keypad, a battery, a plug pack, the can and the board. I think it's about $799 at the time of recording this video. So, and then all the wireless devices there, and any of the hardwired devices that we sell on our website will work with this as well. So great product to check out. Like I said, if you're in the market to upgrade your security, you want to have the features of having an app that reports the push notifications come straight to you. It's a fantastic product for that. So it's basically got a lot of, ticks a lot of boxes for a lot of people. So like I said, we just want to do a quick video to introduce the product. So we'll be doing some more stuff about installing it and how to unlock some of the features. But don't forget, check it out on our website. You can go to the website, www.technoworks.com.au. There'll be links in the video anyway, and you can basically find all the information you need about XR Pro. Thanks for listening.